Make a colorful paper chain for any party. Hey, kids! Want to make your next party super fun? Today, we're going to create a colorful paper chain that's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or even a jungle party. Let's get crafty with the Kid Learning YouTube channel. Hi, friends! I'm your crafty buddy, and today we're joining Leo the Lion's big jungle party. But oh no! Leo needs help decorating. Let's make a super cool paper chain to make his party the best ever. You just need simple stuff from home. Here's what you'll need: colored paper in your favorite hues, kid-safe scissors to keep things safe, glue stick or tape to stick everything together, and hey, stickers or markers to jazz it up. Always ask a grown-up to help with cutting, okay? Let's start making our paper chain. Step 1. Cut your colored paper into strips about 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Mix those colors, red, blue, yellow, to get that party vibe going. Again, be safe with kid-safe scissors. Step 2. Take one strip, bend it into a circle, and glue the ends together. Hold it tight for a few seconds so it sticks well. Look, our first chain link. Ding! Step 3. Slide another paper strip through your first loop and glue it into a new circle. Keep linking strips and watch your chain grow longer and longer. Step 4. Time to decorate. Add stickers or draw fun shapes like stars and hearts on your chain. This makes it extra special and super fun. Wow, look at that! Our paper chain is making Leo's jungle party so colorful and fun. You can hang yours at birthdays, Halloween, or any celebration you like. Now it's your turn. Make a paper chain and tell us in the comments what party you're decorating for. Pro tip, add shiny paper for extra sparkle. And don't forget to ask a grown-up for help with scissors. Thanks for crafting with us, friends. If you love this, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you never miss a fun idea. See you next time for more kid learning adventures.